pero pwede pa rin namang umusad yan kung marami ang boboto
Yan.
sa Committee on Justice para umabot siya ng plenaryo. Kung lalabas, numbers game pa rin pag nagkaroon ng mga contentious issues sa Congressman. Kasi pinagbubutuhan sa committee.
Correct.
Ganun sa demokrasya, hindi ho ba?
That's correct, Alvin and Doris. No? As a matter of fact, yung 5 steps na kunikwento natin, palaging may botohan na nangyayari dyan. Yung step 1 hanggang step 3. That is sufficiency in form, substance, and sufficient basis to support the impeachment complaint. That is simple majority ang botohan natin sa Justice Committee, which means majority of the members present so long as there is a quorum. Pero pagdating dun sa step 5, which is the determination of probable cause, ang kailangan ay majority of all the members of the House of all the members of the Justice Committee, no?
So ma'am,
By members, we have to
Oo.
consider na hindi lang regular members because ex officio members, which pertains to the House leaders, may participate also and may vote also during the deliberation in the Justice Committee.
ayun. So, pero kayo po, ma'am, ay kampante na makukuha niyo po ang kinakailangang numero?
Well, I do not want to preempt, Doris, no? Hindi pa tayo nag-uumpisa. As a matter of fact, we are considering to start on March 2
Opo.
and possibly tuloy-tuloy na to March 3 and March 4, at least for the determination of sufficiency in form and substance. I cannot tell yet if we will be able to get the required number of votes, no? Basta ang
Opo.
importante masunod natin ng tama ang proseso, and like what we have articulated already, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa impeachment process against the president with respect to the procedure and to the parameter, we will be adopting exactly the same thing pagdating dito sa proseso against the vice president.